In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two video projects in Canva. First, open the two video projects that you want to merge. Then choose any of the video projects. Then go to the bottom right part of your screen and click Grid View. From here, select all pages. Then copy these pages by clicking Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click the video. Then choose Copy. After that, go to the second video project, click Grid View, and select any page like this. Then paste the pages that we just copied by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Paste. And as you can see, the video projects have been merged together. Lastly, you can click Close Grid View and play the video to see the final result. So that's how you can merge two video projects in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.